Cinnamon tea is widely popular for its rich aroma and flavor and its numerous health benefits. It is basically prepared using the inner bark of the cinnamon tree, which naturally curls into rolls while drying and transforms into the well-known cinnamon sticks you may find on your kitchen shelves. These sticks contain many compounds that offer several benefits for your overall health. So today, let's learn some very compelling reasons to drink cinnamon tea daily. Let's begin. Number 1. It can improve your heart health. Cinnamic acid and cinnamaldehyde, two powerful compounds in cinnamon, have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties. This is important because chronic inflammation plays a significant role in various chronic diseases, including heart disease. Studies show that cinnamon may positively impact blood pressure and cholesterol levels. In fact, a review of 13 clinical trials reported that cinnamon supplementation reduced total cholesterol by around 5.1 units and LDL cholesterol by around 6.1 units. Cinnamon also contains coumarins, which are basically a group of compounds that have powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Coumarins have also been shown to have vasodilatory properties, which means they can potentially relax and widen blood vessels, allowing for smooth blood flow and helping to keep blood pressure in a healthy range. In fact, one study showed that a group of people who were given cinnamon supplements daily found reductions in their systolic blood pressure by an average of 5.3 units and diastolic blood pressure by an average of 2.6 units. On top of that, coumarins can also slightly inhibit platelet aggregation, the process of platelets clumping together to form clots. This can potentially reduce the risk of blood clots forming in your blood vessels, which otherwise could lead to heart attacks and strokes. But these anticoagulant properties also add a bit of a concern to cinnamon use. If you have any pre-existing health conditions, take certain medications, especially blood thinners and other medications for blood pressure regulation, or are unsure about appropriate intake, consult a healthcare professional before incorporating cinnamon into your diet. Opt for Ceylon cinnamon whenever possible due to its lower coumarin content, especially if consuming cinnamon regularly. Besides, you don't need a hefty amount of cinnamon to reap potential benefits. We'll also see how to make cinnamon tea to enjoy these awesome health benefits and how much cinnamon to use. So stay tuned. Number 2. It can enhance hair growth. A study conducted in 2018 revealed that cinnamon oil had a beneficial impact on the hair growth of male rats. Researchers believe this is due to the high levels of cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon. This compound has been linked to increased blood flow and circulation to the hair follicles, which can potentially enhance hair growth. Another study found that procyanidin, a flavonoid found in cinnamon, also stimulated hair growth. In addition to promoting hair growth, cinnamon has also been shown to have antibacterial and antifungal properties. This could help combat scalp conditions like dandruff, which can impede hair growth. Number 3. It can help in blood sugar management. Studies show that cinnamon can inhibit a range of digestive enzymes, particularly the ones that break down carbs, such as alpha-glucosidase. This slowdown in carbohydrate breakdown in the gut helps to ensure a smoother release of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing post-meal sugar spikes. Cinnamon's compound cinnamaldehyde shares a surprising resemblance to insulin in its action. While slower than natural insulin, cinnamaldehyde has been shown to activate insulin receptors on cells, encouraging glucose uptake and reducing blood sugar levels. But cinnamaldehyde's action doesn't stop there. It can also help improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your cells and tissues can utilize blood sugar more effectively, helping to keep your blood sugar levels more stable. And, well, science backs up these claims. One study involving over 500 participants with type 2 diabetes found that daily cinnamon supplementation led to a significant reduction in fasting blood sugar by 6.4 units and HbA1c, which is a long-term blood sugar marker, by 0.4%. Another study showed that 1 gram of cinnamon daily for 12 weeks reduced fasting blood sugar by up to 13.4 units and improved insulin sensitivity by up to 29%. Number 4. It can help relieve menstrual cramps. If you're someone who experiences menstrual discomfort, cinnamon tea is worth considering as a helpful aid. Research has shown that cinnamon can alleviate certain excruciating symptoms in premenstrual syndrome and dysmenorrhea. In one well-conducted study, women were given either a placebo or 3 grams of cinnamon daily in the first 3 days of their menstrual cycle. The results show that the women who consumed cinnamon had significantly less menstrual pain than the placebo group. Another study investigated the effects of cinnamon in comparison to a pain-relieving drug and a placebo. The women were given either 1.5 grams of cinnamon, the pain-relieving drug, or a placebo in the first 3 days of their menstrual cycle. The group of women who were given cinnamon reported reduced levels of pain during their menstrual cycle as opposed to those who took a placebo. This study also suggests that cinnamon may positively reduce the severity of other related symptoms, such as menstrual bleeding, vomiting, and nausea experienced by women during their menstrual periods. Number 5. It can help improve your brain health. Cinnamon tea can not just freshen your taste buds, but can also provide neuroprotective effects against neurodegenerative conditions, such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. These devastating conditions involve tau proteins, which are basically naturally occurring molecules found primarily in the neurons of your brain, and help in transporting nutrients and other essential materials throughout the neuron. But in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, tau proteins can change their structure and form harmful aggregates called tangles, hindering transport within neurons and ultimately leading to cell death and cognitive decline. Some lab studies show that cinnamaldehyde in Ceylon cinnamon can prevent tau proteins from getting tangled, potentially reducing the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases. Number 6. It can help you lose weight. Studies show that cinnamon can be a helpful aid for individuals looking to lose excess weight around their waist. One earlier study shows that participants who took 5 grams of cinnamon powder daily for 12 weeks lost 0.7% of their excess fat and gained 1.1% more muscle mass. Experts say that this could be due to cinnamon's potential to improve insulin sensitivity and fat metabolism, which can help your body burn more fats. But 5 grams of cinnamon powder seems too much, to be honest, and further research is needed to determine whether more moderate doses of cinnamon, such as those found in cinnamon tea, can have a similar effect. Number 7. It may have anti-cancer properties. Cancer arises when cells multiply uncontrollably, forming tumors that disrupt organ function. One of the key compounds found in cinnamon is cinnamaldehyde, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Some lab studies in various cancer types, including colorectal, pancreatic, and breast, found that cinnamaldehyde inhibited cancer cell growth and induced apoptosis, or programmed cell death. Some studies have shown that cinnamaldehyde might enhance the effectiveness of certain breast cancer treatment drugs. Cinnamon also contains a compound called eugenol, which has anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a key factor in cancer development, and studies have shown that eugenol can help prevent the growth of cancerous cells by reducing inflammation in the body. So drinking cinnamon tea daily can potentially reduce your risk of developing many types of cancers. Number 8. It can help improve your digestive health. Stomach issues can manifest in several ways, from indigestion and bloating to more serious problems like ulcers and irritable bowel syndrome. These can cause discomfort and pain and affect your overall health and well-being. Fortunately, cinnamon has been shown to have several beneficial effects on the stomach, which make it an effective natural remedy for many common stomach issues. Eugenol, another compound in cinnamon, exhibits anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties, offering relief from digestive discomfort and other symptoms of indigestion, such as bloating, gas, acid reflux, and heartburn. Now let's see how to prepare cinnamon tea and how much of it you can drink daily. To make cinnamon tea, boil about 1 cup of water and then add a half teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon powder or 1 cinnamon stick to it, about 3 inches long. You can adjust the amount of cinnamon based on your desired flavor strength. Cover the pot and let the mixture steep for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then strain this tea and enjoy it warm. You can also add honey, lemon, or ginger for additional flavor and potential health benefits. A bonus tip: combining cinnamon with black pepper may enhance its benefits. Black pepper helps the body absorb cinnamaldehyde more effectively, potentially maximizing its anti-inflammatory and cholesterol-lowering effects. Experts say that consuming 1 to 2 teaspoons of Ceylon cinnamon powder or drinking 1 to 2 cups of cinnamon tea daily is safe for most healthy individuals. However, if you already have certain health conditions, especially type 2 diabetes or heart disease, and are taking certain medications, be sure to consult your doctor first before making cinnamon tea a regular part of your daily diet. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel to support our mission to help improve your health. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.